Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In today's video, we are delving into the vibrant world of colors in the Korean language. From basic colors like red, blue, yellow to more nuanced shades, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your Korean vocabulary, this video is perfect for you. So get ready to add some color to your language skills as we explore colors in Korean together. Let's start. Now first of all, let's see what is color called in Korean language. So there are two words. One is 색깔, 색깔, and the another one is 색, 색. So when you're referring to color in general, then you use the word 색깔, okay? And when you're referring to a specific color, then the word 색, it is attached to the end of that color name, okay? So this is the difference between these two words, but in general, they denote color. Now let's see the names of different colors in Korean. First comes the Korean word for the color white, and there are two words for white. One is 흰색, 흰색, and the another one is 하얀색, 하얀색. Okay, as you can see, we have attached the word 색 to the name of the color, right? Okay, now let's see how you're going to say black in Korean. Again, there are three names for black. One is 검정색, 검정색. Next is 검은색, 검은색, and the last one is 까만색, 까만색. Okay, all these words, they mean the color black, but they're used in different context. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, but if you go in deep, then they are slightly different in meaning and in usage. But I'm not going to explain that right now. I'm going to make a separate video to dive deep into the meaning of each and every color name. Okay, for now, just remember that these three words, they denote black color in Korean. Next comes the word for the color red, and that is 빨간색, 빨간색. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for the color blue, and that is 파란색, 파란색. Next comes the color green, and green in Korean is 초록색, 초록색. Next, let's see how you are going to say yellow in Korean, and yellow is 노란색, 노란색. Okay, next let's see the word for the color orange, and that is 주황색, 주황색. Okay, here comes the next one, and that is the color purple, and purple in Korean is 보라색, 보라색. Okay, next comes the Korean word for pink, and that is 분홍색, 분홍색. Now let's see another one, and that is the Korean word for the color brown, 갈색, 갈색. Here comes the next one, and that is the color gray. So in Korean it is called 회색, 회색. Next, let's see how you are going to say sky blue in Korean language, and it is very easy. 하늘색, 하늘색. Why is it easy? Because sky in Korean is 하늘. So the color of sky is 하늘색. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for the color navy blue, and that is 남색, 남색. Okay, now let's move ahead and see the word for turquoise in Korean language, and that is 청록색, 청록색. Okay, here comes the next one, and that is the color gold. So gold in Korean is 금색, 금색. Here comes the next one, and that is the color silver. Silver in Korean is 은색, 은색. Okay, so today we learned the names of different colors in Korean language. Colors in Korean can also be used as adjectives in a sentence. I'm going to explain the role of colors as adjectives in a Korean sentence in a separate video. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.